So I've got these wind-blown trees which are stuck, and we're going to fell them, but I'm expecting them to be a bit awkward to get out, so I've brought a turning strap today, which has a buckle on one end and a loop on the other end. Okay, so I'm going to sever it now and let it come off the stump. If the tree had rough bark, the buckle on the strap would bite in, but this is a chestnut, it's very smooth, so I'll make a little groove. So you need to wind the strap in the direction you're going to turn it. So I've got the buckle into the groove there. That's a little claw. Wind the strap round. And then put a hole here. Okay. So I've quite quickly run out of space to turn it here, but it's very easy to just flip this round and face it the other way. So now I've got a massive lever to turn the tree with. So we're getting some movement. That's it down and ready to cut up.